Hello sir. Now I show you how to import product from Avasam to Woocommerce website. For import product for Amazon, first we log in here and click to login. Then we will put our user email and password. I already put username, user email and password. Then click login. Then, after login, this is our Amazon dashboard. Now we go to search product and we already integrate our Woocommerce website is here. So go to our supplier. Here is our all supplier. We select a good supplier from here. We select Sally. Click to Sally. Here is all Sally product, and like I import this and this product in our Woocommerce website. Just click to source product. Then it is already added. Now click listing manager. Click Woocommerce. Woocommerce online shop. Then we scroll down. We will scroll down and at least this is our product that I selected, and we go to our all product option. Here is our previous product. Now I add this product in our website. For this we go to this price. This is automatically added our selling price. This will furniture category, and just click to update. When I click to update, it takes some time. Then after it is automatically update in our Woocommerce website. Yes, this is already this product is already imported our Woocommerce website. So let me check us. There is no now reload this page. Yes, here import our product. Now view this. I think you can import product now easily. And here will have a description and pricing and everything coming automatically. I think we can do it now. Thank you so much.